Hello, guys. Today we're fortunate to celebrate the amazing accomplishments of your unified sports teams, your Best Buddies Club, their amazing mentors, as well as your entire school community. Today, Percy Julian Middle School is celebrating the achievement of being named an official Special Olympics National Banner Unified Champion School for the inclusive and accepting environment your school community has created here. From the Respect Week that you have all participated in and will participate in this week, to Unified Sports Days, you are only one of 4 schools in the entire state of Illinois to receive this award, and us at Special Olympics are so proud of you. So my name is Jen Marcello, and I am the Director of Youth Initiatives for Unified Champion Schools, and this is Julian Schneider, who's the Assistant Director. And we are so great and so excited to be here to present this to you today. While I am doing this, if I could quietly have members of the following groups please stand up and come on stage while I talk about a few additional things. So if you are a member of Best Buddies, Unified Champion Schools, Special Olympics, Town Hall, Rainbow Tribe, Student Council, Peer Tutors, or Girls Flow, please come on the stage now. Woo! I want you to understand that not every school is able to be a National Banner Unified Champion School. There are over 400 schools in Illinois, and remember I said only 4 schools achieved this banner today. A Special Olympics Unified Champion School has an inclusive school climate and exudes a sense of collaboration, engagement, and respect for all members of the student body and staff. A Unified Champion School receiving a national banner recognition is one that has demonstrated commitment to inclusion by meeting 10 national standards. These standards were developed by a national panel of leaders from Special Olympics and the education community. The primary activities of Unified Champion Schools are unified sports, youth leadership, and whole school engagement. Congratulations on not only meeting, but exceeding these standards of excellence. Please accept this banner recognizing Percy Julian as a National Banner Unified Champion Banner School.